Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use YouTube Music as a ringtone, step by step. Let's get started. First, a quick thing to know before we begin. You cannot directly use a song that you only downloaded inside the YouTube Music app as a ringtone. Those downloads stay locked inside the app, so they do not appear in your ringtone list or in your files. Samsung explains that the ringtone must be a normal music file saved on your phone. So if you want to use a track from YouTube Music, you need a separate audio file version of that song stored in your downloads or music folder. Once you have that regular file ready, you can set it as a ringtone. Now, with your music file saved on the phone, open the Settings app. Look for the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a small gear. If you have trouble finding it, you can also swipe down from the top and tap the gear icon in the top corner. Once Settings is open, scroll a little and tap Sounds and Vibration. This section controls how loud your phone is, which ringtone plays, and other sound effects. If you accidentally tap something else, just use the back button and try again until you see Sounds and Vibration on the list. Next up, on the Sounds and Vibration screen, tap Ringtone. This opens the page where you see all the default tones that came with your Samsung phone. As soon as this screen opens, your current ringtone is usually highlighted so you know what is set right now. If your phone supports 2 SIM cards, you will now see options for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Go ahead and choose SIM 1 or SIM 2 depending on which number you want this ringtone on. A common mistake is setting the ringtone for the wrong SIM, so double-check the label at the top of the screen. With the SIM chosen, tap the plus sign or the add button, usually at the top right or bottom of the screen. This tells your phone that you want to pick a ringtone that is not in the default list. After you tap it, you will see a new screen that lets you browse through folders and audio files on your device. From there, look through the list to find where your music file is stored. Many people will see folders like Music, Downloads, or Audio on this screen. If you are not sure, try the Downloads folder first, since that is where most browser downloads and file transfers usually end up. After you open the correct folder, tap to select the song you want as your ringtone. Your phone may play a short preview so you can confirm it is the right file. If you cannot hear anything, check that your media volume is turned up, not just the ringtone volume. Once the song is selected, tap Done. You will be taken back to the ringtone screen, and you should now see your song listed and checked as the current ringtone for that SIM. From now on, incoming calls to that SIM will use this YouTube Music song file that is stored on your phone. You have now turned a YouTube Music track that you saved as a normal file into your Samsung ringtone in this video. If this helped you out, a quick thumbs up really helps. And if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe. It truly means a lot to us, and we are thankful for every single one. Thanks so much for watching.